Hello, my name is Dr. Joy Poskozim. I own Joyful Dental Care in Chicago, Illinois. I have been practicing for 21 years. I'm a graduate of New York University College of Dentistry, and about 15 years ago, I began to treat nursing home patients, providing oral care for those that cannot come to me in assisted care facilities, skilled nursing facilities, and in memory care. When I am working outside of the office, I like to start my day with a 10-minute workout, get myself ready to go, and then I review the schedule of where I'm going. Sometimes I'm going to one home, sometimes I'm going to multiple homes, sometimes I'm going to homes and also to people's homes for those that have chosen to stay in place. It's important to me that I have the proper materials when I'm going to each home and people's homes. So I really rely heavily on my staff as well as the nurses, the directors of nursing, to make sure that I have been informed of the patients that I'm going to be seeing. I prepare by making sure that I am fully aware of what kind of dental care they need. I do perform all types of care, from oral hygiene exams and cleanings to denture repairs and new dentures. Unfortunately, there are times that I also need to be able to extract teeth. And in those situations, I do communicate with their physicians to make sure that the right hand knows what the left hand is doing. I really fully enjoy talking to not only my patient residents, but as well as the allied staff, the caregivers, the certified nursing assistants, the nurses, as well as the loved ones. I do not leave a facility until I have talked to each and every single family member to make sure they are aware of what is going on. Some of these families have not seen their loved ones because of COVID in over a year or close to a year. So the little descriptions of even what they're wearing or what they're having for lunch that day is incredibly important and special, that I am able to provide that kind of information and that kind of care to the loved ones that are loving them from, unfortunately, far away. I end the day by reviewing the cases with my staff to make sure that everyone has been accounted for, everyone has been taken care of, as well as making sure that appointments have been made for future follow-up care if need be. For example, if someone needs a denture or if someone needs to have their denture brought back to them from the lab after it has been repaired. My favorite thing about dentistry, honestly, is communicating with my patients and the family members involved. Having that direct line of communication with the families are incredibly important to me, and I truly thrive on it. The love, the care, the consideration, the respect has been overwhelmingly beautiful in these last 15 years that I've been doing this, and I truly enjoy each and every minute of it. Some tips and experience that I can provide for help. I promise you, you're going to meet or have someone in your chair on a daily basis who is either a caregiver or has given care to. I strongly encourage you to have a conversation with them. Are the oral care needs of their residents being met? Do you know if they have a resource of a dentist or a dental hygienist who can go into the home to provide oral care? Having that conversation, having that open communication with your patients is truly powerful, because the most growing population we have right now is our seniors, and making sure that they are being properly cared for, even with the oral hygiene, is incredibly important, and you're going to look like a hero yourself. My advice to younger dentists is to think outside the box. Look into dentistry outside of your office. And if not doing that, look for resources that do provide that care, because I promise you, you will be asked at some point in your career, how can my loved one in the nursing home down the street get the oral care they need that I used to provide for them or they used to provide for themselves? My name is Dr. Joy Poskozim. I'm a dental hero in Chicago, Illinois. Check out my practice details in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you.